Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Dare coming to you with another review and unboxing video, and today we'll be reviewing the DC McFarlane DC Multiverse Gold Label Beast Boy action figure. This was definitely an interesting one because I didn't actually find Beast Boy in any stores at all. I actually found him on this app called Drip. I didn't know they were going to be putting Beast Boy on this app. So when I heard online that people were getting him, I definitely had to check out how it was done. So I downloaded the app off of the App Store and I gave it a try and I was able to get him. So I actually made a short explaining my whole process. So if you want to go check out that short so you can get Beast Boy, totally feel free to check that video out and you'll get a whole little tutorial on how I did it. Overall, I'm pretty pleased I was able to get Beast Boy considering what he's going for on eBay and other websites right now because these aftermarket prices are just ridiculous and I wasn't going to pay that kind of money just to get Beast Boy in my collection. So I'm glad Drip was able to give me that opportunity to get this version of Beast Boy because I always had more of a connection to Beast Boy in the purple suit compared to his classic outfit because growing up in the early 2000s, I loved Teen Titans and this figure is closer to his outfit from that series. So it definitely works better with the aesthetic of my collection and the display that I'm going for. So glad I was finally able to get that version in my collection. So anyways, let's get him out of the box and have a look. So let's do it. All right, now we got Beast Boy out of the box. And yeah, I really do like this figure. This is the one that I've been wanting to get in my collection for quite some time. I like the look, the hair, the head sculpt, the purple outfit, the shoes, all of it. This figure is essentially the same one they put out during San Diego Comic-Con minus the animal accessories. So minus the rat, the snake, and the pterodactyl. I think that's how it's pronounced. Yeah, so same figure minus the animals. It does come with everything else that set included, and we'll get to that in a minute. But yeah, just going over the overall look of the figure, it's essentially the Beast Boy we've all been waiting for. So the figure does come with the standard bio card with the picture, and then it does have his bio on the back, so you can give that a little read to get more information about him. It also comes with this pizza, because Beast Boy loves to eat. And it also comes with a pair of hand attachments. So you get closed fists and you get open hands. Again, no animal accessories included. And comes with the puck stand to help Beast Boy stand up if you need it. Okay, now we got Beast Boy in hand now. And yeah, just having a look at the design they went with. And if I'm not mistaken, this is his 1 year later outfit. I know because I'm pretty sure this outfit was given to him in the comics like after Teen Titans had already ended, if I'm not mistaken. And it's not the exact look that Beast Boy has in the cartoons. You know, like he has black sleeves and he has like gray gloves too. So it's not that exact look. So it's pretty similar, but with some differences. And he's also on that same teenager male buck that they like to use a lot. Like they've used it on Nightwing before, and they've used it on the Impulse action figure, and they've also used it with Superboy too. So they just like to reuse that buck a lot with the younger male characters. The only problem with using a buck like this is I think it's going to make Beast Boy look a little bit too tall because he's not supposed to be like a tall guy as far as I know. So you may need to do like a little bit of trickery if you're putting him in your display and he's going to be standing next to characters that he's not supposed to be on the same height with. So yeah, they got the same little boots that he has, just like in the comics and the cartoon. So that's cool. I always did like his purple kicks. They're pretty dope. He got the big belt that he has too. Okay, got the pulled up sleeves as well. So that's pretty standard for that look. Just looking at the head sculpt now, and for some reason I'm getting angry cat meme vibes when I look at his face. What do y'all think? Does it kind of look like that? I think it does. Yeah, I like the pointed ears. That's nice. And I do like his hairdo. I like the color they use. I like the details. It's really good. It just screams Beast Boy to me for sure. Okay, it's doing some articulation now, so he can look left to right pretty well. Yeah, has a little trouble looking up though because of his hair getting in the way, but he can look down pretty well. So he can look down. A little trouble looking up, but he can look down pretty decent. Okay, just doing some arm articulation now. So, okay, joints are pretty smooth. The biceps swivel, no issues there. Double jointed elbows as usual. Wrist articulation is good. Bends up and down, no problems. Go to the other arm, shoulder joint is good. Bicep swivel, good. Double jointed elbows, don't get stiff. Wrist articulation as well, goes up and down, no problems. Okay, so now he has the standard ab crunch, as you can see. Goes up and down, crunch as well. Goes left to right. Yeah, the waist swivel, it's a little tight, but if you work with it, works pretty good, and no complaints here from me. Okay, now doing the leg articulation. So as you can see, double jointed knees, they only bend so far. Ankle articulation is good, goes up and down. The toe hinge, good for posing. Toe hinge is good here too. Ankle articulation is good. Okay, got the double jointed knees, that's good. Beast Boy can do the splits if he wants to. I don't think he does all the time, but he totally can. All right, Beast Boy stands just a little bit over 7 inches, so pretty standard size buck. Okay, just doing a little size comparison. Now we have the new Beast Boy standing next to the original Beast Boy action figure in his classic outfit. And we also have him standing next to the Build-A-Figure Beast Boy and his Man-Beast form. And of course, I couldn't do a review without having Beast Boy standing next to his teammates. So we have Beast Boy standing with his fellow Teen Titans. We have Cyborg, Raven, Robin, and Starfire. And as you can see, they all look pretty awesome together. I mean, scaling-wise, I mean, the heights are a little bit janky, but I think that's pretty standard with McFarlane figures now. I think we all kind of got used to that at this point. So it's just cool seeing them all together in one shot. They're all pretty awesome looking. Okay, so final thoughts on the new Beast Boy action figure. I definitely think he's a must-have if you have the Teen Titans in your collection and you missed out on the San Diego Comic-Con Beast Boy like a lot of us did. So this is your chance to get him without having to pay an arm and a leg. The Drip app seems to be the only option available to get him at this point, so you can try that or just wait until he becomes available in stores at some point, hopefully. So if you all made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Take it easy. Bye.